Welcome back to my wacky-ass cooking show.
Welcome back. We just got here.
Welcome to the brand new cooking show of mine. My name's Daniel, and my phone man is an idiot. Today we're cooking eggs. That's about it. So how are we going to cook these eggs? Well, Kirsten, you get the fuck out of the way. This is my fridge. It's got a bunch of good stuff in it. But we're going to use cream. I already got the eggs out. Get it in the fucking closet. This is the eggs. It's 18 carton of eggs. Are you even getting the shot?
Yeah, I am. I've stand this far back just because the camera's crap. Oh.
You not zoom out?
No. It's not zoomed in, so.
So, I got my eggs, I got my cream, and I got my pan. Now I'm going to cook this at 5.5 heat. Son of a bitch. 5.5 heat. We're going to let that heat up a little bit. We got our eggs. This is the fun part. Yeah.
The part where you scream at yourself is you got eggshells in there.
It gets a bit moist sometimes.
Are we really just gonna do one? Okay.
No, we're going to do it.
Well, why are you washing your hands now, then?
Because I got egg all over them.
Well, you're gonna get egg all
Just
over
shut
them
up
again.
and let me cook. For God's sakes. Can I do it with one hand? Yeah. That was a feeling. Let's see how much eggshell we got in my cup.
Is there any? I guess I'm not eating that.
I don't see any.
Good. Keep it that way.
Alright. Now, fork. Take a little bit of cream. Good.
Just a little, not too much.
A little bit. A teaspoon. Before I do that, I'm actually. I have no butter in here. Surprised that I don't. So we're going to use what we got. You want to take some butter? Butter is good for you? No, it isn't.
It isn't at all.
I take a little bit of butter. Let that do its thing. I'm going to mix up these eggs. That consistency looks good.
Where you crack the eggs? Yeah, that makes sense.
We're gonna just take this, stir this around a bit, put our egg on there. This is kind of like an omelet. I don't know how to call it. But
We'll find out by the end.
I'm gonna grab my
Can you not put your ass in the photo?
the one that's recording it. Take that.
Trying not to.
Grab like a fucking there. I'm a cook, chef.
Better than me. Can't say much, but
Wash my hands. It's all cool and nice. Now you can add ham to this, but I'm not going to because that takes too long.
we don't have any.
I do have ham. I don't feel like doing it. Take some bread. Make some toast.
Ready, boys? Do we really need toast with this?
We'll do one piece.
The camera
One
might
piece
die
of
in so much
toast.
near that.
What?
The camera might die. I don't think it will.
It won't. It'll be fine. Always fine on my cooking show.
You have no idea how much I need to die right now.
Check our progress here.
I feel like this entire thing is just going to be called quarantine scrap.
Cooking in quarantine. Damn.
Not even, well, we've recorded more than just this today, so.
That's not going.
It might, you never know.
So,
Probably not.
next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get some cheese.
Cheeseburger.
Get some cheddar. That's what it's called.
Is that good, Ched?
Cheddar. Do I know how to grate cheese? Yes. Am I going to do it? No.
Let's just turn our bats on the stuff so whenever it burns, we can't tell.
We're just gonna cut up some bits of cheese. Yeah, fucking cooking god.
Just throw it on in there. Yep. Why would we grate it? I don't know.
That takes too long.
I'm pretty sure it takes shorter than shove. I really don't want to eat this now.
What's your problem with my food, Carson?
The fact that you're shoving your fingers in it.
It'll all cook off.
Oh.
Like I haven't washed my hands, but
Pretty sure you didn't.
I did. I just did.
Yeah, dude, spread them out. That's what we're worried about.
Alright, now what I'm gonna do. I'm a cooking god. What did I tell you? That's a perfect looking egg. Except for that crack. Don't mind that.
I don't even see it. Why did you point it out? I'm pretty sure your cheese just fell out.
Shut up. It's good cheese.
Now we wait.
Well, if there's much weight in it, sure. Toasts.
You could have not done that any less efficient.
Actually, I was going to get this paper now. Get it off quick and easy. Fuck.
You're toasting.
Take some toast.
Take some burnt ass toast.
How we cooking? Cooking pretty decent, cooking pretty nice. The cheese has stuck to the pan like its own pitch. Cooking god. I accidentally cut it, so that's not good.
Oh.
Let's do this now.
Is this the start of our food videos?
I'm a cooking god, what did I tell you?
Well,
look at this. This is already looking pretty tasty.
well, it looks better 30 seconds ago, but whatever. You did put a massive hole in it, so you know that's great.
It's fine. It'll be flipped over and fine.
Here he is flipped over.
No, I mean like
Again?
folded.
Oh, okay.
In the meanwhile, we're gonna put some jam on the toast. Isn't that nice?
Shouldn't you put some butter on it first, though? Oh.
I don't have any butter.
Fair
So,
point. It's just
do you
jam.
like apple jam? Some
Apple jam? I wasn't even aware that was a thing.
I'll be aware pretty soon.
Alright.
Boom, that's done.
Fingers ready. You are struggling. Oh. Let me zoom in on this.
Put that there, turn off that, put that on the back burner. Take your spatula, shove it in the sink. And you want ketchup?
Not really.
Well, fine. Bada bing, chef has delivered some delicious food for you again. Well, we're gonna go into the
burning my
food
hand.
review. Welcome to the food review time.
Yeah, here's our food.
Yes, the food.
And I do want you to know, Daniel's the one who made it. Daniel's my friend, so no matter what it tastes like, I do have to say it like it tastes like shit.
Alright, ready to take your first bite of egg?
Oh yeah. We just gotta cut ourselves a good chunk here. That's what you want. Get out of here, yeah. Yeah, there you go.
It's my omelet.
It's a good, oh yeah. Hot, holy shit.
Freshly cooked. Is it hot?
Yes.
You should have got a drink.
Probably. Oh well. It is decent. For being cooked under such a short timeline. It is pretty good.
Anything you want to point out? Is it any?
It's not cheesy. I like my omelets cheesy as anything. It's not
Because I
cheesy.
didn't put cheese in
I've been
whenever I
put
was
down.
actually doing it. I just kind of put some in there randomly.
True. It is good though. After just watching it be cooked for what I thought it would be, it is much better.
Well, this is what I've been doing for the past like 2 weeks, so yeah.
I guess we should explain the quarantine video now.
It's not a quarantine video, it's just cooking with Daniel. It's my new cooking show.
Didn't we say we were going to start something called Carson Eats Random Shit?
No, it's reviewing random shit.
Oh yeah. This is reviewing shit. This is reviewing Daniel's.
This is reviewing shit. I'll put this section of the video on reviewing shit.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'll do. It'll be epic.
And this is reviewing Daniel's. No, don't want to say that.
Daniel's egg.
Daniel's cooking.
Daniel's cooking.
Omelet, I don't know.
It's an omelet, kinda.
Kind of.
Usually I put mine with ketchup. I don't, for some fucking reason.
I don't because of all the hotels I go to never have ketchup there for your shit.
I mean, Carson lives in a hotel,
Oh
apparently.
yeah, I do.
He's a motel.
That's pretty much the only time I ever fucking have omelets. Whatever.
What would you judge the egg on compared to the other eggs you've eaten?
It is crisp. I do like a little bit of crispy in my egg. It was good. And it does actually taste like egg and not, well, I don't know what, cream, I guess.
Cream, yeah. The cream makes it more fluffy,
Oh yeah.
so it's not so dense.
Dense.
I'll be eating the toast.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you what the toast
I
is.
kind of want to taste that jam, but I'm going to talk about it.
I want to cut you off a piece and rip you off a piece, and you can do that.
Good point. Everybody that knows me right now is looking at how I'm eating in disgust, but we won't talk about it.
It's a bit hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a bit hot.
Sorry now.
Carson eats an egg.
Person eats an egg.
Get
First
fucking
time.
fly. Alright, I'm gonna hand the camera over to you and I'm gonna eat my toast.
This one. Fly over. Cut me a chunk, damn it.
Shit. Is that good?
Sure.
Just toast.
Toasty. We do only have 30 more seconds of recording on the space. We'll just edit in the rest.
Okay.
Daniel will. I'm not doing shit.
That's not bad. Fuck off, you cunt.
Daniel's getting in a fist fight with a fly. There's a surprise.
Foot fight. Toast not bad. When do you rate the egg out of 10?
7.
7, that's pretty good.